Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Madhu. I am back again with another video. I am here to check how this bike performs in the different levels of traction control. We have got 9 levels of traction control on track mode in this bike, and I will even turn off the traction control to see how this bike is going to perform. This is a twin cylinder engine bike which creates a hell lot of torque in the initial RPM as soon as we open the throttle. Riding without turning on traction control is not safe for the riders who are not used to this bike. So I'm just trying to notice what's the difference in the throttle response when we turn it off, when we bring down the number or bring up the number. I'm talking about the traction control. You know what, this is not the right road to understand how this traction control performs in this bike. We'll have to go to Twisties to exactly notice how this bike performs in different levels. I am here to check the difference in the power delivery, and as you can see, I'm on ride mode. Let me change it to track mode. Track mode is on, and okay, anti-wheelie mode is off, launch control mode is off. And first let me turn off the traction control in this motorcycle. Okay, it's on. As you can see, MTC plus MSR is on. I will turn it off. Okay, done, it's off. So you can see I'm on track mode. I call it as raw mode, where we get to feel the complete power of this bike. I have turned off traction control, I have turned off anti-wheelie mode, launch control, everything is turned off. Now let me see how this bike performs. And guys, disclaimer, if you are riding this bike for the first time and looking at this video, if you turn off everything, that's not safe for you unless and until you get used to this bike. So just turn all the modes on and then ride. Get used to it and then turn it off. I'm the owner of this bike. I've been riding this bike for a while. I know how this bike behaves without traction, with traction a bit. Now let's roll. See, did you notice the wheel started to wobble there? I will tell you why. This road is a bit of uneven patches. As you can see, they have done some plastering work over here on the road. This road, especially this stretch, is full of uneven patches, man. So I may not push the limits. However, what I really felt after turning off all those modes is a lot of power. If the traction control is off, we feel a lot of power. A lot of power to deal with. I didn't even open the throttle in second gear or first gear. I opened it on third gear, but still a lot of power to handle. So let me try again. This road is not maintained well. I go through a lot of patches. They have done some uneven repair works over here. Oh, it started to drizzle. Okay. Now let me turn on the traction control and bring down the number from 9 to 5. As I mentioned earlier, there are 9 levels of traction control on track mode. So I will bring down the number. Now let me turn it on first. Okay, the traction control is on. As you can see, slip 9. This is the level of traction control. It's on 9th level. Let me bring it down to 5. You can see here it's on 5. So let me check the throttle response on 5th level of traction control. Yo! There's a slight difference in the power delivery. If I turn it off, I get to feel a lot of power to handle. If I bring down the number, yes, there is a bit of slight lag in the power delivery. What I understand is when we bring up the number to 7, 8, 9, the bike will be under control. For example, if you're taking this bike to Twisties, if you're on 9th level of traction control, the bike will be under control. The bike will not slip even if you go through muddy surface. At least we should be on 5th or 6th level of traction control if you want to experience more power in this bike. So the bottom line is, if you want to feel the complete power of this bike, just turn off the traction control, anti-melee board, launch control, everything. Or you can just keep launch control on, because if you want to launch the bike in first gear, it's safe to keep launch control on. Anyways, it's not going to bring down the power. That's what I feel. When you turn on the traction control, and if you're on 9th level, you will not feel the complete raw power of this bike. However, it completely controls the wheel spin, and it's always safe to turn on the traction control if the rider is not used to this bike. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to experience the level of traction controls, how this bike performs. That's the reason I came on a ride. And thank you for watching. I'll be coming back with another video. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಸಾಕಿರೋ ನಾಯಿ. It happened right in front of my eyes, man. Shit. ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊಡೆದೋಗ್ರು, ಯಾರೋ ಸಾಕಿರೋ ನಾಯಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರೋಡ್ಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ದ ಆಟೋ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರು. ಫುಲ್ಲು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರು, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋದ್ರು. ಆಮ್ನಿ 800 ಗಾಡಿ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋಯ್ತು. ಆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಹೊಡೀತು. ನನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆನೇ ಆಯ್ತು ರೀ. ಯಾರು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್, ಕರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಗಾಡಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಗಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹೊಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ ಯಾರು. ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ದಾದ್ರೆ, ನಮ್ಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು ಅದನ್ನು. I know I can understand his feelings because even I have lost a pet, but this is so unfortunate. It happened right in front of my eyes. I wasn't recording at that point of time. Suddenly, it came from nowhere, entered the highway, and a Maruti Suzuki Omni he couldn't control. He crashed. This is owner's mistake. He should have tied that pet, or he should have held that pet. He came after 5 minutes. By the time he reached, I was pulling the dead body from the road. Dog showed up from nowhere on highway. I was over here, the dog was somewhere over there. There was one Maruti Suzuki Omni car. He was cruising at around 80 plus. He couldn't control. He hit the dog so hard, the dog got tossed on the road, and it was not dead. It broke its back and it was struggling to get up. Suddenly one more car, that was Hyundai i20, ran over that. It died. This is what happened. Yeah, man. My mood is off after watching all this. Bye guys. Bye-bye.